The precise name of the Apache helicopter is the AH-64 Apache. The AH-64 Apache is a multi-role attack helicopter that is used by the United States Army and other military forces around the world. It is manufactured by Boeing Defense, Space and Security and first entered service with the U.S. Army in 1984. This attack helicopter has been continuously upgraded and improved over the years, and remains one of the most advanced and effective attack helicopters in the world. The Apache helicopter is a highly advanced attack helicopter that has been used by the United States Army and other military forces around the world for several decades. This helicopter is known for its versatility, power, and advanced weapons systems, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. The production line for Apache helicopters is a complex and highly sophisticated process that involves many different stages. This attack helicopter production line begins with the manufacturing of its components, which are produced by various suppliers around the world. These components include the engines, rotors, transmission, avionics, and weapons systems. Once the components are manufactured, they are delivered to the assembly line, where they are put together to form the final product. The assembly line for this helicopter is a highly sophisticated process that involves many different stages. The first stage involves the construction of the helicopter's airframe, which is made from a combination of aluminum and titanium. The airframe is then fitted with the helicopter's engines, transmission, and other components. The next stage of the Apache helicopter production line involves the installation of the helicopter's avionics and weapons systems. These systems include radar, targeting systems, missiles, and guns, among others. The installation of these systems is a highly complex process that requires a high degree of precision and expertise. Once the avionics and weapons systems are installed, this helicopter undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets the high standards of performance and safety required by the military. These tests include flight tests, engine tests, and weapons tests, among others. The final stage of the Apache helicopter production line involves the delivery of the helicopter to the military. The Apache helicopter is typically delivered to the military in a disassembled state, with the various components shipped separately. The military then assembles the helicopter on site and puts it into service. Overall, this helicopter production line is a highly sophisticated and complex process that requires a high degree of precision, expertise, and attention to detail. The production line involves many different stages, from the manufacturing of components to the assembly and testing of the final product. The Apache helicopter is a highly advanced attack helicopter that is widely regarded as one of the most powerful and effective weapons in the military's arsenal. The Apache helicopter is considered great for several reasons. This helicopter can be used for a variety of roles, including reconnaissance, target acquisition, and attack. The Apache is equipped with a range of weapons, including rockets, missiles, and a 30mm cannon, which makes it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. Advanced avionics. The Apache's advanced avionics system, which includes radar and targeting systems, allows it to operate in any weather condition and in low light conditions. This helicopter is designed to be highly survivable, with advanced armor protection, sophisticated electronic countermeasures, and the ability to operate at low altitudes. The AH-64 Apache is owned and operated by several countries around the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Japan, Israel, and the Netherlands, among others. The exact number of these helicopters owned by each country varies depending on their military requirements, but the United States Army alone operates over 700 Apaches. The price of an AH-64 Apache helicopter varies depending on the configuration and level of customization required by the buyer. As of my knowledge cutoff of 2023, the approximate unit cost for a new AH-64E Apache Guardian was around $35 million, but the price can be significantly higher with additional equipment and upgrades. The AH-64 Apache helicopter is renowned for its exceptional capabilities and is widely regarded as one of the most advanced and powerful attack helicopters globally. It boasts a range of features that set it apart from other aircraft. Firstly, this great helicopter is equipped with an array of highly potent weapons, including a 30 M230 chain gun, Hydra 70 rockets, and Hellfire missiles, making it an immensely capable force in combat. Secondly, the Apache is built with advanced armor protection, electronic countermeasures, and can fly at low altitudes, all of which enhance its survivability in combat situations. Thirdly, it is equipped with a state-of-the-art avionics system that comprises sophisticated radar and targeting systems. This enables it to operate effectively in various weather conditions, including low-light conditions. Finally, it is highly maneuverable, with exceptional capabilities for sharp turns and sudden changes in direction. This allows it to evade enemy fire, remain on target, and conduct its mission effectively. The Apache helicopter is still in active use by numerous countries worldwide, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Japan, and the Netherlands, among others. This helicopter has been in service for many decades, and it has undergone multiple upgrades and enhancements over the years, making it a highly effective weapon system. The latest variant, the AH-64E Apache Guardian, is currently in production and is expected to remain in service for several decades to come. The manufacturing of the Apache helicopter takes place at the Boeing production facility located in Mesa, Arizona, in the United States. The manufacturing process involves several stages, including design, fabrication, assembly, testing, and delivery. The Apache helicopter is built using a combination of advanced materials, including high-strength alloys, composites, and advanced electronics. The fabrication stage involves the production of individual components that make up the helicopter, including the airframe, rotor blades, engines, avionics, and weapon systems. These components are manufactured using cutting-edge technologies, including computer-aided design, computer numerical control machining, and additive manufacturing. Once the individual components are manufactured, they are assembled into the final product at the production line. The assembly process involves the integration of all the individual components, including the engines, rotor blades, avionics, weapon systems, and other critical systems. The Apache helicopter undergoes several rigorous tests to ensure that it meets the required standards of safety, performance, and reliability. After the final product is assembled and tested, it is delivered to the customer. The delivery process involves the transportation of the helicopter to the customer's location, followed by installation and testing to ensure that the helicopter is fully operational. The Black Hawk helicopter is a powerhouse of the skies, built with cutting-edge materials and technologies to provide superior performance and versatility. Sikorsky Aircraft, a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin Corporation, is responsible for the production of this remarkable aircraft, which takes place at their production facilities in Stratford, Connecticut, and Troy, Alabama. The manufacturing process for the Black Hawk helicopter is a marvel of engineering, involving multiple stages of design, fabrication, assembly, testing, and delivery. The helicopter is constructed with an array of advanced materials, such as aluminum, titanium, composites, and high-strength alloys, that combine to create a sleek and resilient machine. The fabrication process involves the creation of the various components that come together to form the helicopter, including the airframe, rotor blades, engines, avionics, and weapon systems. These components are made with the latest in cutting-edge technology, such as computer-aided design, computer numerical control machining, and additive manufacturing, to ensure precision and accuracy in every aspect of the manufacturing process. Once the individual components are created, they are assembled into the final product at the production line. This process involves the seamless integration of all components, from the engines and rotor blades to the avionics and weapon systems, all working together to provide unmatched power and agility in the skies. Before delivery, the Black Hawk helicopter is subjected to rigorous testing, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of safety, performance, and reliability. The delivery process involves getting the helicopter to the customer's location, where it is installed and thoroughly tested to guarantee optimal functionality. This helicopter is used by several countries worldwide, including the United States military and many of its allies, and has been in service for several decades. It has undergone multiple upgrades and enhancements over the years, ensuring that it remains a vital and effective aircraft in modern combat. So, the manufacturing process of the Black Hawk helicopter is a complex and sophisticated process that harnesses advanced technologies and materials to create an exceptional aircraft that provides exceptional performance, flexibility, and survivability. But now you're looking at the production of Bell Helicopters, now known as Bell Textron, is a company that specializes in the production of helicopters and related products. The company was founded in 1935 by Larry Bell and is headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas, USA. This company has several factories and facilities located around the world that produce a range of helicopters for civilian and military use. One of Bell's main production facilities is located in Fort Worth, Texas, USA. This facility is responsible for the production of the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X, Bell 525 Relentless, and Bell V280 Valor. The Fort Worth facility also includes a customer delivery center, which allows customers to take delivery of their new Bell helicopters directly from the factory. Bell also has a manufacturing facility located in Mirabel, Quebec, Canada, which produces the Bell 429 and Bell 505 Jet Ranger X helicopters. This facility is equipped with advanced manufacturing technology, including computer-aided design and manufacturing tools, as well as robotics and automation systems. In addition to its production facilities in the United States and Canada, Bell has several other manufacturing facilities around the world. For example, Bell has a production facility located in Amarillo, Texas, USA, which produces the AH-1Z Viper attack helicopter for the United States Marine Corps. Bell also has a production facility located in Prague, Czech Republic, which produces the Bell 412 utility helicopter for the European market. The manufacturing process for Bell helicopters involves several stages, including design, engineering, manufacturing, assembly, testing, and delivery. The design and engineering stages involve the development of new helicopter models, as well as the modification and improvement of existing models. The manufacturing and assembly stages involve the production of individual components, such as airframes, rotor blades, engines, and avionics systems, and their integration into the final product. Bell uses advanced manufacturing techniques and materials in its production process. For example, Bell incorporates composite materials into the construction of its helicopter airframes, which improves their strength and durability while reducing their weight. Bell also uses advanced computer-aided design and manufacturing tools to streamline its production processes and improve the accuracy and efficiency of its manufacturing operations. Overall, Bell is a major player in the helicopter manufacturing industry, with several production facilities located around the world that produce a range of helicopters for civilian and military use. Bell's production process incorporates advanced manufacturing technologies and materials to create high-performance, reliable, and safe helicopters that meet the needs of its customers.